When most people hear artificial intelligence, their minds jump to sci-fi movies, giant tech companies, and complex robots that feel light years away. They see it as something reserved for PhDs and coding geniuses. Honestly, that's a huge misunderstanding. What if I told you that while everyone is focused on the splashy, headline-grabbing AI, a quiet wave of creators is building serious income streams right under the radar? These aren't programmers or Silicon Valley insiders. They're just regular people who figured out how to use a handful of overlooked AI tools. And with them, they're building automated, semi-passive income businesses that are completely changing their lives. There's a whole new type of YouTuber out there making over $10,000 a month, with some top channels earning that in a bad week, and they do it without ever showing their face, recording their own voice, or spending more than a few hours a week on their channels. They've built what are essentially faceless YouTube empires that practically run themselves. How? They're using a specific set of AI tools that automate almost the entire content creation process. Today, I'm not just going to tell you about it. I'm pulling back the curtain to give you the exact, step-by-step blueprint they follow, so you can build your own AI-powered income engine. Section 1. The proof this is already happening. Before we get into the how, you need to see that this isn't just some wild theory. People are doing this right now. Let's look at a couple of real-world examples. Check out a channel like Top Discovery. It's closing in on 1 million subscribers and, by some estimates, pulls in around 26 million views a month. Based on standard YouTube ad rates, that could easily be bringing in somewhere between $7,000 and $15,000 every single month. The creator has never been on camera. The videos are just simple, compelling compilations with a voiceover, a perfect format for AI to handle. Or look at channels in the finance space. Creators are using simple animations and screen recordings to break down complex topics. Because the content is so valuable, advertisers pay more, and people watch for longer. It's an incredibly profitable faceless model. Then you have storytelling channels. A channel like Mr. Ballen's Strange, Dark and Mysterious Stories proves that great narration over simple visuals is enough to build a massive, loyal community. The real lesson here is that a compelling story and a consistent look matter way more than seeing someone's face. These channels aren't flukes. They're just the pioneers who proved the model works. The only difference between them and you is that the AI tools have gotten so good and so easy to use that you can get started much faster than they did. Section 2. The problem and the AI solution. Let's be real for a second. Traditional content creation is a grind. You have to come up with ideas, write scripts, set up your camera and lights, film yourself, edit for hours, design a thumbnail, and then figure out all the SEO stuff. It can feel like a full-time job long before you make your first dollar. It's why so many people give up. And that's not even touching on the biggest hurdle for most people, the fear of being on camera. Wanting a little privacy or worrying about what people will think stops so many potential creators before they even start. This is where everything changes. Imagine a workflow where you get to skip most of that. Imagine having a team of AI assistants that can handle the most boring, time-consuming parts for you. Need a video idea with viral potential? I can brainstorm 100 of them. Need a solid 2,000-word script? I can write a draft in minutes. Need a professional, human-sounding voiceover? I can generate one instantly. Need to turn that script into an actual video with engaging visuals? Yep, there are AI platforms for that, too. This isn't about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. It's about letting the AI handle the grunt work so you can focus on the bigger picture, the ideas and the strategy. This is how you build a scalable, automated income stream on YouTube without burning out. So, let's get into the blueprint. I'm going to walk you through the whole process, step by step, and show you the exact tools you can use to build your own faceless, cash cow channel. Section 3. The Blueprint, your step-by-step guide to $10,000 per month. Alright, this is the heart of it. Follow these 6 steps, and you can have a fully operational, AI-powered YouTube channel up and running way sooner than you think. Step 1. Finding your profitable niche with AI. This is the most important step, and it's where most people mess up. You can't just pick something you think is cool. You need to find where passion, audience demand, and money overlap. Trying to jump into a huge niche like personal finance is like trying to win a shouting match in a stadium. You have to niche down. So instead of health, think biohacking for busy professionals. Instead of history, think forgotten battles of the ancient world. So, how do you find these little pockets of gold? You use AI. You can fire up a tool like ChatGPT with a very specific prompt. Don't just ask for ideas. Command it. Try something like this. You are a YouTube growth expert. Generate 20 ideas for faceless YouTube channels. For each one, create a markdown table that scores these factors from 1 to 10. Search demand, competition level, monetization potential, CPM, and evergreen viability. Bold the top 5 ideas with the highest total score. A prompt like that turns a simple chatbot into a powerful market research tool. It forces the AI to think strategically and give you data-backed ideas. You can also use specialized tools like NextLev, which has an AI niche finder built specifically to spot these kinds of opportunities. Once you have a list, do a little homework. Search your top ideas on YouTube. Are you seeing smaller channels getting a surprising number of views? That's a huge green flag. It means there's an audience, and you can jump in to fill the gap. Right now, some of the most profitable faceless niches are things like AI tools tutorials, AI automation case studies, and making money with AI. These topics attract a high-value audience and have massive affiliate marketing potential. Step 2. The AI scriptwriter. Got your niche? Great, now you need scripts. This used to mean days of research and writing. Now, it takes minutes. Your go-to tool here is an advanced language model like ChatGPT, but the secret isn't just using it, it's how you use it. A rookie mistake is saying, "Write me a script about stoicism." You'll get a generic, boring result. You need to give it a role and clear instructions. Try this instead. Act as an expert storyteller for a viral YouTube video. Write a 2,200-word script on the Stoic art of not caring what people think. Structure it with a strong hook, 3 main points supported by stories and examples, and a powerful, motivating conclusion. Keep the language simple and conversational. Make sure to add a transition between each major section to keep the viewer hooked. See the difference? But here's a pro move. Find an existing viral video on your topic, use an AI tool like DupDub to transcribe it, and feed that script back into ChatGPT with this prompt. Rewrite this script in your own unique voice. Keep the core structure and viral elements, but make sure the final text is 100% original and would pass a plagiarism checker. It's an amazing way to reverse engineer success. As a final check, always run your script through a tool like Copyscape to make sure it's completely unique. This protects your channel from any potential copyright headaches. Step 3. The AI voiceover script? Check. Now you need a voice. You can forget about buying an expensive microphone or feeling awkward talking to yourself in a quiet room. AI voice generation is so good now it's genuinely hard to tell the difference. The undisputed king in this area is ElevenLabs. The quality is just unreal. You can pick from a library of voices or use their voice cloning feature to create a synthetic version of your own voice with just a few minutes of audio. It's incredibly powerful. Here's a tip. When you use a tool like ElevenLabs, don't just paste your whole script in at once. Do it paragraph by paragraph. This gives you way more control over the pacing and lets you tweak the tone. You can even add little notes in the text to create a dramatic pause or change the inflection. While the free plans are great for starting, spending a few bucks a month on a paid plan is one of the best investments you can make for higher quality voices. Other great options are Murf AI and Wellsaid Labs, which also have a ton of professional sounding voices. Step 4. The AI video generator. This is where it all comes together. You have your script and your voiceover. Time to make the video. No editing skills? No problem. No need to spend hours scrolling through stock footage sites. All-in-one AI video platforms do the heavy lifting. Tools like InVideo, Pictory, and Lumen 5 were literally built for this. The workflow couldn't be simpler. You upload your script and voiceover. The AI reads the text and automatically finds relevant, high-quality stock video clips to match what's being said. It even adds animated captions and transitions for you. And the game is changing fast. New models like Kling, Google's Veo, and Runway can create stunningly realistic video clips from just a text prompt. While some are still rolling out, platforms like InVideo and Canva are already starting to integrate this tech. That means soon, you'll be able to create completely custom visuals, making your content truly one of a kind. The key is to find a tool that fits your style and budget. Start with a free trial, play around with it, and see what gets you the best results. Remember, the goal is to make a video that's visually interesting enough to keep people watching, and these tools make that easier than ever. Step 5. The viral thumbnail. Your video could be a masterpiece, but if your thumbnail is boring, no one will ever click on it. You can argue that the thumbnail is the single most important part of getting views. And no, you don't need to be a pro graphic designer. Your best friend here is Canva. It's super intuitive and has endless templates you can customize. But if you want a real edge, use an AI image generator like Midjourney to create completely unique, thumb-stopping visuals that nobody else has. Here's a pro tip. Go look at the most popular videos in your niche. Don't copy their thumbnails, analyze them. What colors are they using? Big, bold text? Are they showing faces or objects? Find the patterns that are clearly working, and use that as inspiration to create your own unique version in Canva. You can even take it a step further with a tool like TubeBuddy. Its thumbnail analyzer uses AI to predict which of your designs is most likely to get clicks. Combining a unique AI-generated image from Midjourney with proven design principles from Canva and data from TubeBuddy is how you create a thumbnail that people can't resist clicking. Step 6. SEO and uploading. Last step. It's time to upload your video and make sure the YouTube algorithm knows exactly who to show it to. And once again, AI is your secret weapon. Your title, description, and tags are what get you discovered. A tool like vidIQ is essential here. Its AI tools can generate dozens of optimized title ideas for you. It'll also help you find the best keywords by showing you what people are searching for versus how many other videos you're competing against. Here's the workflow. Use ChatGPT to write a short, keyword-rich summary of your video for the description. Then, use vidIQ's keyword tool to find 10-15 keywords that have a good amount of search traffic but low competition. This combo of an AI-written description and data-driven keywords from vidIQ gives your video the absolute best chance of showing up in search results and getting recommended to new viewers. It takes all the guesswork out of SEO. CTA, if you found this blueprint helpful, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. I'm always testing new AI tools and strategies for building income streams like this, and I share what I learn right here. Also, I've put links to all the tools I mentioned down in the description. A lot of them have free trials, so you can get started today without spending a dime. Section 4. The secret sauce. Okay, you've got the complete blueprint that the most successful faceless channels use. But I want to give you one more thing. A little secret sauce tip that can really take your channel to the next level. It's all about combining these AI tools in a way most people aren't thinking about. When you're generating your script, don't just ask for a script. Ask the AI to build in monetization triggers. Try this custom prompt. Generate a 2,200-word YouTube script on the 5 best AI side hustles for beginners. For each of the 5 points, create a natural transition where I can mention and recommend a specific software tool. After the 3rd point, write a 30-second ad read spot promoting a fictional online course. End the script with a strong call to action that points people to the affiliate links in the description. When you do this, you're baking your monetization strategy right into the content. The AI isn't just your scriptwriter anymore, it's your marketing strategist. It will create seamless opportunities for you to promote affiliate products or your own courses. This is how you go from just making ad revenue to building a diversified business that can scale to and beyond that $10,000 a month mark. Conclusion. So there you have it, the complete blueprint. You've seen proof that it works, you get the problem it solves, and you have the step-by-step guide and the tools to build your own automated income stream. That secret wave of AI creators isn't so secret anymore. The opportunity is right there, and it's massive. You don't need to be a tech wizard, you don't need to be a famous influencer, and you definitely don't need to show your face. All you need is this blueprint and the decision to start. So go open a new tab, sign up for a free trial for one of the tools I mentioned, and make your first AI-generated video today. The automated income engine you've been dreaming about isn't a dream anymore, it's a project. Now go build it.